Meet Kangelani Sibiya. Many know him as just a teacher at Phumelele High School in Richards Bay. But to his learners, he's affectionately known as DJ Mats. This is for his animated way of making two of the most unpopular subjects for learners easier to understand but also enjoyable.
Teaching them this way changes the stigma of saying mathematics and physics is a difficult subject, because if you demonstrate, it is easy for them when the questions come to the exam to say they recall all our songs, they recall all our demonstrations while we are in a class.
He has recently won 2 international accolades, one in India as the best maths and science teacher and another in Dubai as the best teacher. Sibiya beat teachers from 79 countries for the coveted global award.
First one from India, it was the Global Teacher Award for Maths and Science, and the one from Dubai as the best teacher of 2019 in the whole world, of which I am very humbled with that, and it says to me I have to keep on pushing or working very hard using this method in order to change the stigma towards these two subjects.
Learners sing his praises for their improved marks.
As teenagers in this day and age, we are into music more and we're into television more, so it's easier to remember things when people sing it than when people just say it.
This way of teaching and the techniques and the approaches they apply in maths and science makes things more easier. The dance moves and all the things they do just for us to remember.
Sibiya says his next project is to expand his math and science camps and involve more learners from other schools. His non-profit organization has reached 25,000 learners since its inception 4 years ago. The Provincial Department of Education is also taking advantage of his skills to help other poor-performing schools improve their results. Vusi Khumalo, SABC News, Richards Bay.